Storyblocks versus Motion Array. Choosing the right creative assets platform can transform how you create stunning videos without wasting time or money. Both offer extensive libraries and tools, but their approaches differ significantly. Storyblocks and Motion Array both provide access to high-quality creative assets, but their core difference lies in the scope of their offerings. Storyblocks focuses on unlimited downloads with a subscription, while Motion Array combines assets with advanced project management and collaboration tools. Storyblocks is a subscription-based platform offering unlimited downloads of stock videos, audio, images, and templates. It works by granting users access to a vast royalty-free library, enabling them to download as many assets as needed during their subscription period. Its strength lies in cost-effectiveness and simplicity, ideal for creators who need a large volume of assets without worrying about additional fees. Storyblocks excels in providing high-quality stock footage and motion backgrounds, making it perfect for video editors, marketers, and content creators focused on rapid content production. However, it lacks integrated project management or collaboration features, which might limit teams working on complex projects. Its straightforward approach suits solo creators or small teams prioritizing asset variety and volume over workflow tools. Motion Array is a creative platform that combines a comprehensive asset library with workflow-enhancing tools. It offers stock videos, templates, music, and plugins, but also integrates project management features like collaboration, review, and version control. Motion Array works by providing users with both assets and the tools to streamline video production from start to finish. Its strengths include a user-friendly interface and team-oriented features, making it ideal for agencies, video production teams, and freelancers who need to manage projects collaboratively. While its asset library is extensive, Motion Array's subscription model limits the number of downloads per month compared to Storyblocks' unlimited plan. This makes it better suited for users who value integrated workflow solutions and quality over quantity. Comparing Storyblocks and Motion Array highlights key trade-offs. Storyblocks offers unlimited downloads with an emphasis on volume and affordability, perfect for creators needing diverse assets quickly. Motion Array, on the other hand, balances asset access with project management tools, supporting team collaboration and streamlined workflows. For solo creators or those focused on asset quantity, Storyblocks is more cost-effective. For teams and professionals managing complex projects, Motion Array's integrated tools provide significant value despite download limits. Both platforms deliver high-quality assets, but the choice depends on whether you prioritize unlimited downloads or enhanced production workflows. Choose Storyblocks if you need unlimited, affordable access to a wide range of creative assets without additional project management features. Motion Array is the best choice for teams and professionals who want quality assets combined with collaboration and project management tools. It streamlines production and boosts efficiency, making it a powerful platform for organized, high-quality